This is Ofer.
Hello.
And these are Ziv and Sagee, the Fixperts. Ofer lives with a severe muscle weakness caused by a genetic disorder. This condition makes his daily routines difficult, like opening his new kitchen fridge. Our Fixperts took up the challenge of helping Ofer to open his fridge. Hold on, aren't you forgetting something? Now you can start working. At first, they had some flimsy models, but soon enough, they had improved prototypes. They realized that a lever effect could be a good start. A metal wedge breaks the fridge's seal. We're on the right track. The design shifted from a bulky lever to a leaner look. There are two handles, so Ofer can use both of his hands if needed. The final model is made from an aluminum pipe, silicone rubber for easy gripping, and a strong magnet to attach the device to the fridge. The hinge housing allows the lever to swing easily, and a metal wedge is tightly secured in place. The magnet allows us to adjust the optimal height suited for Ofer, and can easily be removed if needed. Moment of truth.
Wow, איזה יופי.
Success!
רוצה לנו בירה מהמקרר.
עושה סיבוב. באמת כל הכבוד לכם. זה לא...